Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Lola, AE29 DIY. So today, as you can see from the title, we're going to be doing Hessian boots. So DIY Hessian boots. We're going to be making boots from scratch using Hessian fabric. What they normally use them for, like sacks and things like that. Also, we're going to be using like a brown jersey lining. So first I have to create my pattern. I literally used some flip-flops to get the size in, and then I created the rest of it by freehand. So once I finalized my pattern, I was able to cut out the fabric on the jersey fabric and also on the Hessian. So guys, this is not a full tutorial, just to let you guys know. This is kind of like a day in my life where you're just watching me sew. So I finally cut out about 30 of the Hessian and 30 of the jersey fabric. So here they are. I've sewn the Hessians together and I've also sewn some of the lining together. But now I actually need to sew the lining and the Hessian boot together as a pair to make it one. Looking good. This is the first time I've ever made a boot like this before, and I'm really impressed. I must say so myself, I'm really impressed. So you guys must be wondering, why am I making so many boots? Well, it's a friend of mine. She is starting up her own beauty business and she has asked me to make these boots out of the Hessian fabric. So you may notice these little ribbons that I put inside the boots. I put them there so that I can know the left and right of the footwear. So we're getting there, where we've done a lot now. As you can see, they're coming together. Put the rope in these ones, so I just need to continue. I still have quite a few more to do, so I'm just going to be feeding in the rope in the rest of them. So guys, I'm just using a safety pin to help me feed in the rope that we use to tie the boots together. But if you guys need a bit more insight on how I do this, feel free to go and check out my other channel, AE29 Fashion. On that channel I do fashion there, obviously. I'll do lots of clothing, and on my hair bonnet tutorial you guys will be able to see how I feed in the rope into the casing. They are all done now. They're looking lovely and ready to go. So I'm just going to pack away now and get these ready for my client so that she can come and pick them up. But guys, feel free to leave comments in the comment section below. I do like to hear the comments. And if there's any other videos that you'd like me to do, feel free to let me know as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.